Institut Teknologi 10 November, or ITS, is a leading university in the field of science and technology in Indonesia. ITS also received the Widya Padi Award as an innovative university and the Sinta Award for the highest number of publications. The Faculty of Intelligent Electrical and Informatics Technology, or FELECTICS, is the leading faculty in ITS, which was established as a combination of the Faculty of Information and Communication Technology and the Faculty of Electrical Technology, consisting of 6 departments. One of them is the Biomedical Engineering Department.
Biomedical Engineering Department is a department-level institution in ITS that organizes education and research process and community service in accordance with 3 pillars of Indonesian higher education, or Tridharma Perguruan Tinggi, in the field of biomedical engineering that explores technology for health service focused on 4 main areas consisting of intelligence biomedical instrumentations, assistive technology and rehabilitation engineering, biomedical imaging and image processing, and medical informatics. Development of human resources in the education process based on education approach that include exploration, intellectual interest, and knowledge. Leadership, including organizational and business skill, and development of attitude and mentality.
Biomedical Engineering Department currently has 2 laboratories, namely Biomedical Instrumentation and Signal Processing Laboratory and Biocybernetics Laboratory. For all laboratories, we make sure everyone will apply standard laboratory protocols, such as change shoes with slippers on the entrance door before entering the laboratory. Use fingerprint before entering the lab. Put the bag and the other stuff on the rack near the entrance door. Wear the lab coat for safety. Fill the attendance for your appearance on the attendance paper. And before you start your practicum, please fill the laboratory information system with tools which you want to use. The laboratory is equipped with occupational safety and health to prevent occupational accidents. The laboratory room provides fire extinguishers, evacuation routes, and exit points in case of an emergency.
Biomedical Instrumentation and Signal Laboratory focuses in development student skills and practical background necessary to develop advanced instrumentation, biomedical signal and image processing and analysis. The laboratory takes teaching laboratory works responsibility and of following courses. The laboratory performs research activities on the field of biomedical instrumentation, biomedical signal and image processing, and analysis, wearable sensor system, and clinical decision support system. As a part of 3 pillars of Indonesian higher education, our laboratory also perform community service activities in form of applying our scientific skills to solve engineering and technical problems faced by community. Following are the community service activities of Biomedical Instrumentation and Signal Processing Laboratory.
Students carry out consultation activities with lecturers in the laboratory room. Consultation can take the form of proposals, research, or practical work.
In the laboratory of Biomedical Instrumentation and Signal Processing, we do a research related to implementation and of electrical, electronic, and signal processing. We developed method to analyze cardiac activity using more than one modality. The concept of this research is called multimodal cardiac analysis. There are three modalities implemented in this research, namely electrocardiograph or ECG, phonocardiograph or PCG, and also carotid pulse. All of these modalities complete the heart diagnosis so the doctor can analyze the heart.
My final project discusses stress detection from the physiological sensing of the human body. Some of the physiology of the human, such as heart rate, electrodermal activity, and electromyography, are used as inputs on my instrument. The instrument that I developed is an embedded system where the reading of the three physiologies, as I mentioned before, then used as an input for the artificial neural network. This ANN then classifies the stress level of the user. By utilizing this, the stress detection process can be done using system that I developed.
The organizational structure of the Biomedical Instrumentation and Signal Processing Laboratory has 6 lectures and several lab assistants.
Biocybernetic Laboratory focus in learning mechanism of computation, communication control, and in developing their application in bioelectronics and mechanical system. Our laboratory has teaching and laboratory work responsibility of following course. This laboratory performs research activity on the field of control engineering, application of biomedical system, movement analysis, and rehabilitation engineering. Following are ongoing research teams of our laboratory.
Biocybernetics Laboratory performs by serving other laboratory or institutions and also able to support community service activities to solve its problems. Students carry out consultation activities with lecturers in the laboratory room. Consultation can take the form of proposals, research, or practical work.
One of our research in 2020 was the development of teleoperated medical robotic systems that allow a physician or doctor to monitor and control an existing medical equipment such as ventilator by utilizing wired or wireless communication network. This system was built in response to 2020 pandemic situation so that could protect our healthcare workers by minimizing the chance of exposure to respiratory disease like COVID-19.
One of the 5 projects which are in line with Biocybernetic Laboratory research team is about rehabilitation using functional electrical stimulation or FEST. FEST is used to restore motor function in post-stroke patients by providing controlled electrical stimulation during the rehabilitation period. In this project, we developed a multi-channel closed-loop functional electrical stimulation system for gait restoration. We put several electrodes on patient leg to provide electrical stimulation to the patient muscle to do a normal gait.
The organizational structure of the Biocybernetics Laboratory has 7 lecturers and several lab assistants. The lecturers are also actively conducting research.
We invite young people to join Biomedical Engineering Department ITS to prepare your contributions in the field of biomedical engineering. Scientific contributions of our research enrich progress of the health and welfare technologies.
We, all members of the Biomedical Engineering Laboratory, are ready to develop knowledge and serve the community for the advancement of the nation.